Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today we are going to jump straight into the Ford Focus. I managed to get a door in colour, as you can see it there, but everything has been stripped off of it. So there's a lot of swapping all the bits and pieces over from the old door to this door. But yeah, at least I've got it in colour and it's in really good condition. So it's just a case of spending a bit of time now, which it does take time. Like I could have got a complete door for double the price. So, you know, I'm just trying to get the cost down for him as much as I can. And this is a way of doing it. So I'm going to set you up. Let's get cracking. Let's just start swapping the doors over, the bits and pieces, and see how far we get today. So let's do this. Right, okay, guys, just want to quickly cut in there, just quickly give a little bit more, show you a bit more detail of obviously what I've got to do. You can see all the mechanisms. You've got like a little clip on the door handle, the winder. Is it clipped back in? It's probably clipped back in, isn't it? Yeah, it's clipped back in. So there's a little clip behind it, you can see it? So you just need to lift that up and then the handle pulls out. And then you're able to get the sort of see the rest of the door card and all the rest of bits and pieces. You see me do that, but I'm just trying to take some pictures of all this inside, just make sure I know where it all goes, where it all runs, how it all sits, how it all fits. But yeah, it's going all right. It's going well. But I'm just trying to see if I can see that mechanism, because we have got, I might have to put this mechanism back in place. There is a space for it there, so you can see that obviously this is the end of the door, yeah, and that's the bottom part where it sits. So if you look over here, this is the end of the door, and that cover there is where that mechanism sits into. So I'm going to swap everything over, including that mechanism that when you push that. So it's just, it must be like on a wire that runs up. But yeah, I'm going to fit all that back in as well so that everything gets swapped over into the other door. So, but I'm going to take some pictures of all this just as I go. It's going to make it a little bit easier to put into that one when we hang the door and stuff like that. I've got to take the glass out yet. I started to take a lot of the trims off. The top trims come off. There's an inner trim that goes around here. That's all been removed as well. I'm just laying it out really, getting it ready to do the reverse and put it back all on this door. I knew it was going to be like this. If you buy a door that's like completely bare, because I said to him, I said, well, this is a wind down door, and they do electric ones and wind down. He said, yeah, but that's the door's the same. It just the wind down and the electric mechanism fits on both the same doors, if you know what I mean. So. Yeah, but we're getting there. So I'll set you back up. Let's continue. Let's do this. Right, okay. Well, guys, it is going really well. Managed to get the mechanism back in place for the little flingy thing. Do you know what I've worked out as well? See these like connectors here that goes here? They're obviously just dropped off on the floor, and then people sort of don't realise they fell off when they've shut the door or opened the door or whatever. And that's how they're lost. But slowly getting there. This is the door back on. The one I got. That's the old one. I've not tried the actual shutting yet. Got a few more bits and pieces to put on, and then we'll shut the door to make sure that the colour's good. It looks really good already. I can, already see that it's going to be a good match. Anyway, so that's good. It's just whether or not the door lines up, if it's straight that way or this way. I've got to move the hinge a little bit. All those kind of bits and pieces, really. But, yeah, done the mechanism. So the locking mechanism is now in place as well. Got the wiring. There's not a lot of wiring loom for this, I've got to be honest. There's only like a wire that goes through there to there. Then it goes to the speaker. And then it goes to this plug here, which connects to inside... just goes in that plug there. So yeah, there's not a lot of wiring to this. Like that. And that's it. That just plugs in there. That's it. Done. That goes in there like that. And that's it. Yeah, it just sits like that. Does that go there? I think that goes like that, doesn't it? I think that goes like that. But yeah, got to get the actual winding window down as well. Get the glass out. A few more bits and pieces. But we're getting close. So I'm going to set you back up. Let's see if we can get this door completely swapped over today. That'd be nice if we could. And then it's just one less job we've got to do for him, because he come and saw this car last night. Because I said to him, come have a look at it just to make sure you're happy. And he's over the moon. And as I thought... When can he have it? When's it going to be ready? And I said, well, it ain't going to take long. I've actually booked an MOT for this car on Thursday. So we've got now until Thursday to get it sort of all wrapped up and all done for him. And potentially he can come and collect it Thursday afternoon, really. There's not really much else that's going to stop it. And as long as we get the service done, he ain't going to go down the route. I've spoke to him about the timing belt. Because it's the EcoBoost. I've spoke to him about that, guys. He's just said he will get it done, but he's not going to get it done yet because he hasn't even passed his test. So the car's going to be sitting around for a while. I think he's going to get learner's insurance, but he's not going to do the mileage that you think he's going to do. He just wanted to find the right car and get it all ready for when he does pass his test. So... yeah, the timing belt will need doing. He knows it needs doing, but he's going to let that sort of do that a little bit down the line once he starts using the car every day to go to work, backs and forwards, and stuff like that, So, but yeah, let's keep going. I'm going to set you back up, and let's see if we can get this door completely swapped over today. Hopefully we can. So let's do this. Right, guys, look at that. It is really, really good now. I've cleaned that side of it. Just want to check. I haven't cleaned this door too much really, but you can see like it's. I don't know if it's coming out on camera properly. I think it is. Looking through the phone, but it's such a good match. It is really, really good. And Yeah, you'd never know unless you saw the videos and watched me doing it. You'd never know that this has been involved in an accident. That door was all smashed up like that. It looks really, really good, and that's what it's all about, really. The lines, absolutely spot on as well. I was just checking to make sure that section looks good, lines up. The arch bit here looks good, lines up. The gaps are really good, both the same, both sides. I really can't snag anything, really. It's gone on really, really well. I'm looking around just to make sure that, you know, everything works good, and it does. It's really, really good. You know, locks how it's supposed to lock, unlocks. I've checked all that as well, just to make sure that, you know, locks and lock. You know, if you lock it, so yeah, I'm really happy with the way this is coming out. Really quick. You know, that's what it was all about. That's what he wanted. And it's turning out really, really nice. So far, so good. Unfortunately, guys, it's going to be a quick one today. I have run out of time. We have swapped over the door, so we're getting there with this one. But I have run out of time. I've got to go and do the school run. So, it is what it is at the minute. But, yeah, that's the end of part 1 on the actual Ford Focus. And we're going to come back to this probably on Thursday. We're going to do a few bits and pieces on this car, give it a good clean up, do my MOT checks, take it for an MOT, and then just see, yeah, if we can get this one all done for him in a couple of days. But yeah, it's turning out really quick. I thought it was going to be like this. I thought it should be. It's a lot of swapping over from that door to that door, but it was definitely worth it. Look how much, you know, it hasn't really sort of been long at all. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Don't forget, guys, drop me a comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon.